1973 Ford Mustang Mach 1, red and clean. Very clean, but the exhaust was not clean. I'll show it to you guys in a second. What we did on it, got cats. Oh, 73 doesn't have cats. Never mind. Anyways, true dualed it all the way back. Right there and right there. All the way into two FLOWMASTER Super 10s. Part number 842515. There'll be a link in the description for them. And we continued it out the back into 18-inch long, 4-inch stainless steel tips. Give it that classic look. 1973 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Here's the old exhaust. Here's where it originally connected the headers into a Y pipe. And then this is where the trouble started. I don't know what that is. You guys talk about our welds. Look at those welds, jeez. And then to some, I think, FLOWMASTER. And then this is a sort of fake duals. Look at those welds, oh my gosh. Right there as well. And right there. Now, you want to talk about bad welds. Those are bad welds. But now it's nice and beautiful. All clean and pristine. So we'll let you guys hear in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, wow. That sounds good. Wow. Sound decibels? Hit 105. That sounds really good. Go and back it up. That's a clean Mach 1, man. There's the inside of it. They did a really good job on it, guys. Really clean. I mean, you don't see them like this hardly ever. Beautifully well maintained. Everything. So, kudos to him. Mach 1 Mustang. Oh yeah. Sounds really good.